Good morning, everybody. I'm going to take you through a mud adobe structure built in 1920. This mud adobe structure was built with support columns in the middle here. It just never was finished. Adobe can't be used to support a commercial building, so that's basically what the problem here is. Now, they went ahead and they laid up brick. They just never finished it. You can see here the brick is the facade on the exterior. So the brick would be called a veneer in some ways, but it is structural. Let's take a look down here, and we can see that the foundation is a poured foundation. It's stem wall type. We can take a look here at the doorway. We can see they poured at different times. We can see the pour here. It's multiple pours. So as we come back up the structure, we take a look at the rebar. This is pretty typical, tying this off. The brick is a single row. They're supposed to be using tie bars back into it. There isn't any. Here we can see the lateral reinforcement installed, sticking out of the edges. So this adobe that we see here is a standard adobe with adobe joints. One of the things about this type of adobe, it was all hand laid at the time and hand installed. This building again has stood the test of time. It just never got finished. Thanks a lot.